Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can fix your heating issue in your Redmi device. If your phone heatings is when you just play game or use app for over 1-2 hours and it will heat directly. How you can fix this? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings, click on apps, click on manage apps, and then you have to disable background data of all the apps that are running in the background without your absence. In your absence it will not run in the background. Click on every app that you are, click on like storage. If it's showing like 0 byte, press back, click on the, simply you have to check all the data in it. Like this you can see it is consuming 0 bytes. And when you just click on data, background data, you have to turn it off, and then you have to press back app, and here you have to optimize your phone by boost speed, cleaner, and security scan. And if your smartphone have 60 Hz and 90 Hz, then you have a lower refresh rate. It will not reduce your battery or it will not heat up your phone faster. Back you have to update all your apps, system updates. If there is a software update you have to, and it will work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and